Everybody has been asking me about the famous Zara stab, and your wishes have been heard. So in this video we're going to talk exactly about the sample pack that I created called the Minimal Deep Tech Sample Pack Starter Kit. So here on the browser on the left side we have the Minimal Deep Tech Starter Kit, which includes bassline, full drum loops, it includes kicks, synth loops, and the top loops. But now let's obviously start with the most important one everybody has been asking me about, which is the Zara stab. So I created a few Zara stabs here, which sound like this. Because we all love to produce minimal deep tech, I created also 10 different kicks that are perfect for minimal deep tech. So I'm gonna just put them into the house music production template that I have here. Let's put it on, for example, this one here. Pretty good. So now we're gonna create a little loop just with a sample pack, and you're gonna basically hear all the sounds and see if they make sense really. I think this one is really strong, so we're gonna just put it into the playlist. It's obviously a completely dry signal, so I'm gonna put it to channel 20. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of reverb because it sounds a bit too dry, but that's exactly why I made it so dry, so you can basically work with it, add some delay, add some reverb to it. Let's create a little loop now. We have also instrument 1 from the house music production template, which is gonna chuck it in here, record it. This sounds already really cool. Now let's take one of those top loops that I created from the sample pack, which is, for example, maybe this could work. Let's see it. So the good thing about those samples is that most of them are in BPM 126. In the case they are not, you can literally just press this one here, fit to tempo, then it's gonna snap to the tempo of your project. But in this case, this project already has 126, so there's nothing really to be snapped. Now let's also find a bass, and because I created 10 different bassline sounds just for you, which sound exactly perfect for normal deep tech. Ooh, this is good as well, I like this. So just drag and drop it into the playlist. Obviously add it to channel 3 on the house music production template, because here we have the LFO tool, and this is already sidechaining the bass line to the kick. Bit too loud, eh? So the most important thing about those samples is that most of them are not heavily processed. Yes, I added a bunch of saturation for the sound design purposes, but if you want, like for example this one, you can see the bassline is not compressed. So make sure you compress those elements, especially the drum loops. They need a bit of compression, but that's the beauty for you as a music producer to do this yourself, because you want to make sure that it sounds perfect to your song tailored. If I process it heavily, it's gonna maybe sound too different for your song. So definitely make sure you compress those parts, because as you can see, those transients are very loud, and it's gonna be problematic if you want to master the track. Let's obviously go on a few other drum loops. So let's delete the kick now and also delete the top loop and add another full drum loop. See which one matches this kind of vibe. This one is good too, I like this a lot. Alright, next one. This one is good too, I like this one. Let's obviously exchange one of the bass lines. Wow, I think this is fire. This is so fire. This is very important for you as a producer. You need to, it's a dry signal, so what I really like to usually do is to add a bit of a delay to the Zara stab. With ping pong delay, maybe a little bit to the left and to the right, the timing should be something like this too. is obviously now way too loud, so we're gonna obviously put a limiter after the delay, so it's sidechained to the basis of the sound. So you can see here compressor, we're gonna put instrument 1, ratio a lot. So I basically want to sidechain the sound delay. So the next thing is, let's now use a different sort of Zara step, because we want to exchange it and test a few things what sounds really good. This one is good too as well, I like this one. What I always recommend you to do when you want to create this track, always make sure to use your own processing. So maybe there's a part of you that thinks, okay, this specific Zara step needs more top end boost, or needs maybe a little bit top end reduction, maybe needs a certain plugin. That's exactly what's gonna make your track sound more interesting. Let's use a different Zara stab now. See what this one sounds like. I think this is so far. I'm really happy about the results. We have exactly 10 perfect bassline sounds for you. You can basically jumpstart your minimal deep tech production. You don't have to sound design everything yourself. You don't have to go through the internet and look it up. You just basically buy it, drag and drop it into your project, use them however you want them. I'm really excited about the sample pack because I really sound designed all by myself, and I think that there's a lot of people who really needed the sample pack. So definitely make sure to purchase this right now over gamma.com. The link for that is obviously under this video. And just in case you're bored of the Zara steps, I have also a few other synth loops that I created over the process of the last 4 years. Basically a few things like A Day at the Beach. It's like a pad. Then we have also another pad, which is this one, which sounds really interesting. Obviously a bit more experimental. Then we have also something very groovy specifically for minimal deep tech, which is this groovy Road. As you can see, this one as well is not exactly fit to the tempo, so just fit it to the tempo. So yeah, this is basically the whole sample pack. I really hope that you can use it. Make sure to purchase it under this video. It's really helpful. I'm going to use this also in a lot of my productions. Also, if you're interested in my exact strategy, how I've been growing my audience to over 10,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, check out this video, which explains exactly as well how I got my track Move to It to over 1 million streams on Spotify. Make sure to check this video out, and I'll see you, bro, in the next video.